One of the first things that I discovered when I started my journey to making money online was understanding that the parts and pieces are like a puzzle, and the sheer number of words that you need to understand and really define to put those parts and pieces together can be overwhelming in the beginning. But then when you figure out there's just a few words that you really need to understand in the beginning, and then take those pieces and put them in the right order, figure out which one of these words, which one of these parts, which one of these pieces matter and which order to put them in. And of course, these three words, traffic, offer, people, are the foundations of building a profitable online business, because most importantly, you need to focus on traffic as the foundation that everything else, the other three pillars, set on. But as you can see, even here in this simple 9-step roadmap, there's lots of words that you need to figure out. And even then, when you figure out these pieces and how they stack together and understand that you need traffic to an offer, and then you want to put people on an email list, and you put these pieces of the puzzle together, you're still stuck in the beginning needing to understand and know what all the rest of the words mean. But your focus needs to be on traffic, but all the words, all the definitions of the words and what they mean and why they're important to generating traffic, to build a profitable online business and to make money online. Well, I put those together. I put the definitions, I put the entire framework, I put it all together in a report that I called the Traffic Misconception. It's what traffic is and how traffic works, with real examples of traffic sources that I've tried, and understand that inside of this guide, you're going to get a complete definition of what traffic is, as well as all those other words, and the parts, the pieces of the puzzle, the parts that matter are going to be put together for you inside of this report. Another cool thing that I've done is I've showed inside of this training, I've showed how to upload, or to really focus on taking and understanding these parts and pieces and the definitions of these words. I've shown you an example of uploading it into Google AI Notebook LM so you can focus on the key topics: online traffic, different types of traffic sources, and just market strategy. But you click here and you can see that marketing words defined, these are the marketing words, and they're clearly defined inside of this report to help you focus on the words that matter, because there are tons of words that matter, but it is overwhelming, and you're looking and saying, I need all this just to generate traffic, just to create traffic to start to put these pieces of the puzzle together in the right order, even though you know now, and simply because you watch this channel, you know that traffic is the most important. Then you need an offer. Then you need to focus on those people that are going to be on your email list. But what we want to do is we want to focus on traffic and having a clear and simple understanding of all the things that matter, and a clear understanding, as I've defined it here in the Traffic Misconception, what is traffic. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to the sales page, and this is a limited time offer. When you're on the sales page, you can simply just scroll through, of course, read everything and understand exactly what it is. For example, with versus without the Traffic Misconception, before you had all these things that you were trying to learn, or all these things if you are trying, or if you're actively trying to get traffic right now. The big problem is you go through all this and then you quit. But after you read the Traffic Misconception, it'll make it that much simpler to get steady, predictable growth with the traffic that you create, because you'll understand it and you'll know everything that you need to understand about traffic. There'll be no more misconceptions. You also get some bonuses here, but also understand that this is a limited time. As of me making this video, there's only 4 days, 12 hours, 33 minutes, 20 seconds, 19, 18 seconds, no fake, no false scarcity. Link in the description. Pop over, check out the Traffic Misconception. Of course, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.